Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to this video. We are going to see Project Assistant at IIIT Raipur. Eligibility BE BTech in CSC IT EC or ME MTech in CSC IT or MCA. JRF Junior Fellowship in Electronics and Communication Engineering at NIT Jalandhar. Eligibility BE BTech in EC or relevant branch or ME MTech with specialization of VLSI Electronic System and career fellowship in 2021 at IIT Gandhinagar. Eligibility PhD candidate if already submitted thesis, that candidate also eligible for career fellowship 2021 and junior research fellowship JRF underserved at IIIT Bangalore. Eligibility ME MTech in ECE EEE CSC IT, and this is very good news for those who are literally waiting for this kind of opportunities. And after selection, and they will provide salary 25,000 to 35,000 per month including HRA depending upon experience and designation or qualification. And coming to content of this video, application are invited from eligible candidate to work as a project assistant in a Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology R&D Research and Development at IIIT Raipur. Post of project assistant and availability 1. Job role: design and build advanced mobile application for the Android and iOS platform. Project team to define or design and ship new features. Experience with third party libraries and APIs, good interpersonal and communication skills. And coming to qualification, first class with not less than 60% aggregate, BE BTech in CSC IT EC or ME MTech in CSC IT or MCA. Preference will be given those who have experience in mobile application development and server management. After selection, they will provide salary 25,000 per month, and this is the literally initial appointment will be 6 months in tender, and which is the extendable based on performance. Interested candidate send their latest CV along with all document to email sreenu@iitnr.edu.in, and last date of application June 12, 2021. And coming to junior research fellowship, application are invited for electronics and communication engineering underserved DST funded project at NIT Jalandhar for the year of 2021. Last date of application submission is June 4. And coming to post details, number of post is 1. Eligibility BE BTech in EC or relevant branch and ME MTech in specialization of VLSI microelectronics, nanoelectronics, electronic system in ECE. Candidate must have qualified in GATE. Interested candidate are requested to send their application in the format given below along with detailed CV and photocopies of certificate before on June 4, 2021, and include documents 10th class certificate, year of passing, university or colleges. Coming to salary, they will provide after selection 31,000 per month plus HRA as per norms. For more details, go through website JRF Electronics and Communication Engineering underserved DST funded project at NIT Jalandhar. IIT Gandhinagar invite application for early career fellowship for the year of 2021. The last date of application submission is 1st June 2021. Eligibility: applicants should have successfully defined their PhD thesis from Indian institution or universities after January 1st, 2020, and these are the providing fellowship: SBI Youth for Indian Fellowship 2021 to 22, 50,000 plus certificate. Apply by April 30. Candidate can apply through online. For more details, go through website IIT Gandhinagar Early Career Fellowship 2021. And coming to Junior Research Fellowship underserved sponsored project at IIIT Bangalore. Apply before July 2nd. Vacancy 1 post. And eligibility here: ME MTech in ECE EEE CSC IT. Basic knowledge of wireless communication, digital communication and probabilities. Strong programming knowledge in MATLAB. Good English and technical paper writing skills. And coming to application, please fill the JRF application using the Google link, and they will provide in the website, and you can upload 10th and inter, bachelor, master project and job experience certificates and mark sheet, and they will provide salary after selection 31,000 per month, and this is 3 years of tender. For more details, contact go through website JRF underserved sponsor project at IIIT Bangalore.